come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas vlog. Today's gonna be a little Sunday reset, y'all. I wasn't planning on filming today. My days have been so mixed up, y'all. So I'm thinking today is my road trip. Today is not my road trip. Tomorrow's my road trip. So yesterday I'm in my head like, okay, I'm chilling, you know, I don't gotta film because I didn't plan on dropping a video the day of my road trip. I told y'all that. And I'm like, no, Yanni, today's not the road trip, it's tomorrow. So now I don't want to miss 2 days. So I'm like, let me just get up. It is really late. I started the day really late thinking I don't know, y'all. But I want to drop something for y'all. Even if it's a really late upload, I want to drop something for y'all. So we're just going to do like a Sunday reset. I don't want to leave my house tomorrow and it be like messy. I'm in the middle of doing laundry. I need to vacuum my floor. Right now I'm cleaning my kitchen up. I'm about to take the trash and put it outside. So I want to get all the trash from everywhere in there. So I'm about to wipe down my counters and stuff. I have a late check-in for my trip tomorrow. So honestly, I can wake up and really do that, y'all. I wanted to film some content for the trip on my Sony VZE-10, but the battery is like stuck in here and I don't know why. I don't know why it is like that. I don't know why the battery's stuck in there. I can't get it out. I don't know. So I wanted to take it to Best Buy and see if they could get it out of there. So I'm gonna try to do that early tomorrow when they open before I head on the road. I mean, I don't have any freaking dishwashing pods, so I have to wash my dishes by hand. I know for a fact you're not supposed to put dishwashing liquid over in the dishwasher. I did that at my mom's house one time when I lived with my mom and flooded the whole kitchen. So we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep this little bag. Keep my little bag. And then my stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up so I can put this. My closet looks a hot mess, y'all. The reason why this drawer is right here is because the bottom of it fell out, so I don't know how to put it in there. So these are all my shirts and stuff. I don't know. I'm not worried about my closet right now. Don't worry about my closet right now. We're gonna make a video soon of the closet makeover. I really just want to hire somebody and be like, hey, can you please just come give my closet a makeover? Like, please. But yeah. My jeans, I still have to get rid of all my jeans. I honestly don't even have, like, it's so bad to the point, y'all, I don't have to try on any of my jeans. I just have to put them in the bag, call people, be like, hey baby, I got some more clothes, because we be giving them to my family members, my younger family members, and she gotta go pick them up. But for now, we're just gonna add them to the pack. These, oh, no, is it not the same color? Maybe I should have got the darker one. Okay, you can't really tell, so I'm not tripping, but these are the shorts, and then this was the top. So, don't judge. These are my favorite jeans. Where are these jeans from? Summon? I like these jeans. I gotta go back on their website and get some more of these jeans. Y'all know I don't really wear like skinny jeans, so jeans that like fit that good, I like that. Probably gonna go to Demir's house later and bother her because she is in town. Also, my friend Sanaya just got her a new apartment, so y'all say congrats in the comments. We're probably gonna head over there later, a little bit later, to see everything. I'm thinking I'm gonna take this road with me. I was just thinking about it, like, I'm taking a road trip so I can pack whatever I want, however I want. Like, I don't need a mini size anything. Like, I can pack my whole skincare, like, you know, but I'm only gonna be gone for a night, so I'm not gonna try to do too much. But it's like a little self-care trip, so I'm definitely gonna bring my robe so I feel comfortable. Well, no, let's wash. entirely too fast, I don't recommend it. I just finished cleaning up basic stuff. I'm about to try to attempt to take the covers off of my sofa so I can wash them. I don't know how I'm supposed to wash them. To start, I'm gonna do just a regular cold rinse on them to see if that'll help. And then if that doesn't help, we can do one of my little pod things because it's clear. I'm glad I don't got the blue ones because that would have probably been even worse. But we're gonna try to do that. I hope it turns out right. I don't know, I just love my little apartment. Like, not little, big apartment. I love my apartment. And it's not even done yet. Like, imagine when everything is done, when there's curtains in here, I got the little shelf here, when I get my, like, ugh. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm mainly gonna focus on these right now. Okay, that's how to sit them. Okay, it definitely has a zipper, but the zipper is like stuck over in here. Is it not meant to be taken out now? Should I just wait? I don't know. I don't want to wash it and then mess everything up. I'm gonna just buy some. We're gonna start with me buying some couch cleaner. We're gonna start with the couch cleaner and see how we can go from here because I'm scared that it's gonna like mess some real stuff up and I don't want to do that. We're leaving it for now. And y'all recommend me some good couch cleaner. My bathroom is pretty much clean because I wiped it down the other day. So I don't have to do much to it but wipe out the sinks and clean the window. So first. This is like the best window cleaner I've ever had. And it's natural, like it's all natural. Powered by vinegar. You can definitely smell the vinegar. Which is so crazy because when I was younger and Bibi used to wash our clothes, she used to always say, put a little bit of vinegar in your clothes and they'll be real clean. Just gotta do a double rinse. And maybe I should start doing that. This right here has got to be my favorite part of my house ever. My extra Tesla key. I don't always put the bags using anything up here. Y'all know how people have like purse bowls? Okay, well I have purse bags, like lip gloss, cards, everything already be in the purses. Shoes I know I wear for sure. These are like everyday shoes. Of course these. Lately it's been the pink ones. I keep my Uggs right here just in case I might need them. The rest of these shoes can go up. My tabby shoes I wear a lot. I got gym shoes, and then we can put these black and white ones right here. So the rest of these, putting these in my bedroom. I'm about to get in the shower. Yeah, my hatch alarm clock is still playing. No. I'm about to hop in the shower, get in the shower, so I can get that started. Then I'm gonna come out and fix. Well, the last thing I have to do is vacuum my kitchen, but I'm gonna shower and stuff first and get that out the way, and then we can finally cook something, and then that'll pretty much be it for this short little Sunday reset vlog. I'm doing so good on my calendar, y'all. Like I'm actually crossing days off. Actually, let's cross the 6th off. Then we have the 7th and my solo trip. I decided to change the eye patches to these ones because I barely use them and I thought they was cute. But as far as food goes, y'all, I'll probably just order something. I'm not really sure what it's giving. I do have leftover tortillas and chicken, so I might as well just go ahead and cook some quesadillas while I'm at it so I can go ahead and use that stuff up. Y'all, I ate my last meal prep bowl last night, so that's out the way. We did a full week. That's so good. I still don't know how I lost 2 pounds. It's irritating, really irritating, but that just means I need to eat more. I'm not eating enough, so I'm about to cook and then I'm gonna edit this video, get it up for y'all, and get ready for my trip tomorrow. I'm not gonna pack a whole lot of stuff. I'm gonna go to Target in the morning early when they first open and try to get some, you know, little snacks and stuff. I asked the people there that like booked it for me, could they put like extra snacks, extra blankets, extra pillows. So hopefully, I know they have a s'mores kit there and like firewood. I'm gonna try to make a fire and do the s'mores and do the whole s'mores thing. I really need my light. I really need to bring my light. I wish I had like a portable light. I'm gonna bring my light. Hopefully they have extension cords or something out there. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see when I get there. But other than that, today has been a real chill day. Can y'all believe I wasn't gonna upload today? Like what? That would have been 2 missed days. Like, okay, I see you tomorrow, but then we can't do 2 missed days. So yeah, it is 4 right now. I wish I would have woke up earlier because I could have had so much stuff done. But we're not gonna complain. I got my house cleaned and everything, so I don't have to worry about that when I get back from my trip. Even though I'm only gonna be gone a night, I'm gonna make this night worth it. Like this is my little like little me night. Okay, let's go cook.
Right now, you almost made you never knew a thing about me in my crib. I need you so much out on my own. Baby, I'm not afraid. You show me your own.
Got my quesadillas. They're actually so good. I'm about to watch some YouTube while I finish eating and then get started editing on this video. But make sure you guys stay tuned for my road trip vlog. I think that one's gonna be a really good vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Make sure you guys watch all the other Vlogmas videos while we take one day break. And I'll see you guys in my road trip vlog. Bye.